Hey guys, this is Alex from Answered Tech, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech K750 wireless solar keyboard for the Mac. So this is the box I got it in. As you can see, there's just some plastic wrap on it, so I'll take that off. So here is the keyboard itself. And as you can see, it has a pretty nice packaging. It says powered by light, thin profile, and PVC free. And of course it is Mac compatible. This is a Mac keyboard. And you can tell by this command, option, and control key. And of course it does have the solar panels on the top. On the back it shows you a few features. It's obviously powered by light, as I said before. Extremely thin. The Mac keys are where you expect them, so I'm replacing my Apple wired keyboard, and it's going to have a very similar layout to this keyboard. It also feels good to type on, so it has good key presses and all that, and it has a extremely tiny receiver that plugs in via USB. It looks like there is a seal right here, just kind of a plastic seal, so I have some scissors, and I'll open this up. Okay, so now I've got that opened up, and now I'll just pull it out. So now, as you can see, there's another box in here. The Logitech solar keyboard for Mac again, but this time a brown box. So here is the keyboard. So we've got some little cardboard pieces here, and we have also got the keyboard, of course. We have a microfiber cloth, it looks like, to clean the keyboard. And if you pull up, we have the extremely tiny little receiver here. And we also have an extender, so if you want to kind of move the little receiver away from your computer, let's say if you have a desktop, this could help. So you just plug that in like that, and there you go. Then it looks like you also have a manual right there. And you also have some instructions on top of the box and some support on the bottom. So I'll move the box out of the way. And as you can already tell, this was advertised that it is extremely thin. This lays completely flat, and then there are also some feet that you can put up. So if you want it to stand up a little bit, you can also do that. Pulling this tab on the keyboard will let it make contact with the battery. And then it says you can turn it on and off right there. So I can remove that sticker, and it's just telling you to turn it on. And then there is this right here. This is just kind of a sheet that goes over the whole keyboard to protect it. Just like that. And now it is all unpacked. So this is the Logitech K750 solar keyboard for the Mac being unboxed. Be sure to stay tuned for a review, so subscribe to Answer Tech as well as like and share this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.